Whether it's in the form of a hurricane, a tsunami, a volcano, or a fire, emergencies are a fact of life here in Hawaii. That makes it vital to have a 2 weeks ready kit prepared in advance with 14 days of food, medicine, and other supplies.
When you're planning your supplies, keep in mind what conditions are like in an emergency. The power will likely be out, communications limited. There may be no running water in sinks and toilets if you live in an area that relies on electric water pumps. And in high-rise buildings, there may be no working elevators. So, think about hygiene when you make your 2 weeks ready plan. The guideline of 1 gallon of water per person per day includes limited hygiene needs, but don't count on having a hot bath. Many households have plenty of personal hygiene supplies on hand like soap, toothpaste, feminine hygiene items, and so on. But consider adding items you don't regularly use to your supplies, such as a hand sanitizer, antiseptic wipes or spray, wet wipes, lip balm, and plastic bags that seal for waste disposal. If your ohana includes your young children, your kit may need to include diapers or training pants. If the keiki outgrow them, you can donate sealed boxes to the diaper bank, but you may want to save a few from an open box. They can be used as bandages or to clean up blood or other fluids in a pinch. Your ohana may have special hygiene needs such as adult diapers or other items. Make sure you consider those needs in your plan.
There are some useful items in any emergency kit. We'll look more closely at those in our next episode.